This is Wesley Dotson, Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. This car is powered by a big block, automatic. It's got bucket seats, factory air, power steering, and power disc brakes. It's a beautiful blue with black interior. We're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping and financing is available on this car right here. If you go to our website, Central Kentucky Classic Cars, if you go to the top to the finance tab, there's a list of lenders. You can pick from any of the lenders. You can call or apply online. Either way works great. They require at least a 650 credit score and 10% down. So we're going to take a look at this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. I love this car. It's beautiful. I love the rallies. I love the big block. I love how it's all underneath. The frame is painted blue. Inside the bed is blue. It's gorgeous. Kentucky blue. We're going to take a look at it here. First, we'll look at the passenger side of the interior. It's got a bug or something on it right there. Just really nice, super clean. All the doors look great. I like the dash. It's all good. Console looks great. Like I said, bucket seats. Show you the door panel. Shut the door here. Take a look inside the bed. Like I said, it's all finished nice with blue. Spray in bed liner. Looks good. All nice and clean. All right, he's going to start it up here. Got it off here. It's got a newer model style radio in it with the cords there. All the roof looks good. Door shut easy. There you go. Door shut nice and easy. All the chrome looks good. I know what everybody's been waiting for underneath the hood, so here we go. We're going to take a look at it. Like I said, it's powered by a big block Chevrolet, power steering and power disc brakes. It's got factory air. Factory air does work. I love the painted underneath the hood. Looks great. Orange motor. Way it's supposed to be. I'm going to shut the hood here. We're going to take one more quick look at the 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. All right, if you have questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this baby on a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1966 Chevrolet El Camino for a test drive. See how it does. Beautiful night here in Kentucky. Honestly, beautiful day. Roll this window down and feel this nice breeze we got going today. Horn works.
Driver doesn't.
Nope, it's the only guy that doesn't work. All right, here we go. Man, it feels good outside tonight. All right, here we go. here and head back, as we do every time. I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit, see what this little El Camino's made of. All right, here we go. Just a good driving car.
Blinkers working the dash.
Yes,
the blinkers working the dash.
There you go, and the other side. Yep. So, just a really nice car. We are almost back here, and like we do every time, we'll show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're back, and we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.